2025 Toyota Land Cruiser marks a new chapter in a legendary lineage. This modern icon ditches the V8 for the first time using Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system, a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder paired with an electric motor. It delivers around 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, with improved fuel economy in the mid-20 miles per gallon range. It's a two-row, five-seat SUV built on a rugged ladder-frame chassis with full-time four-wheel drive, low-range transfer case, locking center, and rear differentials. True off-road features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, front stabilizer bar disconnect, and an 8-speed automatic transmission are standard. There are two trims, a base model and a heritage-inspired 1958 edition with retro round headlights, cloth seats, a brush bar grille, and stripped-back utilitarian style. New integrated tailgate lighting improves visibility in the cargo area. Inside, the cabin blends toughness and technology. You get an 8 or optional 12.3-inch touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, wireless charging, and premium audio options. Higher trims add heated and ventilated seats, HUD, and a digital rear-view mirror. Off-road, this Land Cruiser is as capable as ever. Tests show it can wade water, climb steep terrain, and handle extreme conditions, all while keeping the ride controlled and confident. With a push-button system that lets you disconnect the front stabilizer bar for better articulation. In the US, it starts around $57,900 and goes up to about $64,900 for a loaded trim. In markets like Pakistan, imported ex-factory prices reach 12 crore Pakistani rupees, about 57,900 US dollars, with diesel and petrol versions available. Some buyers love the rugged design and legendary capability, while others note that the cabin can feel tight, particularly for taller drivers, and that it's more about steadfast durability than luxury appointments. The 2025 Land Cruiser is a bridge between eras. Modern hybrid efficiency meets time-tested off-road toughness. It's no longer about brute V8 power, it's about intelligent strength, legendary durability, and an SUV that's built to take you where others can't. Thanks for watching Car Hub. Like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, will you go for heritage style, hybrid utility, or both?